Good morning, professors and participants. First of all, thank you for attending the meeting. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alicia Putri and my partner Catherine from Petra Christian University, Indonesia. Today, we want to deliver our presentation about investor response to stock split from consumer goods sector in Indonesia. One of the variables that can affect stock price and aware by the market is the stock split. Previous financial research has shown that stock split tend to be accompanied with positive abnormal return. However, other studies conducted show that there was a negative abnormal return on the stock split. Research in one sector can facilitate investor in obtaining maximum result, considering that each sector has different characteristics. Considering the importance of the information about companies in investor making decision, so we conducted a study of investor response to stock split in consumer goods sector in Indonesia. Our hypothesis: stock split has a positive effect on investor response. And this is our research model to test our hypothesis. Calculation formula for abnormal returns adapted from actual rate of return from company minus expected return from company. Then the expected return is calculated from intercept of the firm multiplied by expected market return on the day plus risk-free rate of return. Then cumulative abnormal return is total daily abnormal return of the company on day. The next presentation will be explained by my partner Catherine.
Thank you, Alicia, for the time. Before continuing the presentation, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Catherine, a student from Petra Christian University in Surabaya, Indonesia. Now, I'm going to present about the sample data of this research. The sample data that we use are public companies in the consumer goods sector in Indonesia from the period time of 2016 until 2020. Based on the criteria that we use, the final sample data are 56 companies. Next, we present the regression result of investor response that were calculated using CAR in 11, 5, and 3 days event window. First, the coefficient of dummy in all event windows shows a negative value, which means that investor did responded negatively to a stock split. Previous research state that stock split was carried out because it's easily accessible to individual investors or small investors, but the purchase did not significantly affect the share price because of the small purchase volume. Stock split was responded negatively by investors because currently institutional investors prefer to invest in a mutual fund with a lower risk than buying shares with a higher risk. Next, the coefficient of market capitalization in CAR 11 and CAR 5 shows a negative value, while in the CAR 3 shows a positive value. If the market capitalization is higher, then the investor will gain a higher profit. The last one is the firm size. The coefficient of firm size in CAR 11 and CAR 5 shows a positive value, while in the CAR 3 shows a negative value. Based on the size effect theory, the larger the company, then the market power and the operation efficiency will increase too. So this concludes the main focus of the discussion for today. To end, I would like to highlight that there is a negative response from investor to stock split in the consumer goods sector in Indonesia. We also found that investor response had a significant effect on the firm size in the long-term period as well as the market capitalization in the short-term period. For the limitation of this research is that there are some data that we use that are incomplete, such as the publication date of the financial statements, zero stock prices, and many of the companies that conduct IPO in 2017. Then, in the CAR calculation, we score the data manually, which can cause an error. That is all of my presentation for today. I hope this presentation can be a useful information for everyone. Thank you all for your attention.